a Testo video on TECsoft and how it works. Today we'll be discussing Testo's TECsoft software. It's our testing, equipment, and compliance software. Testo has created 6 tabs that make it very easy to navigate. Unit name and number. This allows you to choose the template that contains site information. Cal and span gas is the next tab. That allows you to add gas bottles that you have in inventory to be able to do the calibration and span on your sensors. Third is calibration check. This is where you'll be able to perform the calibration and span checks on your sensors prior to your pre-compliance testing. Then you have your test tab. This will allow you to start the pump, do a single test, multiple tests, or user-defined tests. Next is a tab that allows you to pull information that you may already have previously stored in your analyzer. That will allow you to bring it into this software as well. And last is our report section. This is where after you take your calibration check, pre and post, your test, whether single or multiple runs, then it allows you to marry everything together at the end to do a nice, easy report. A little example of how the screen works. There's quick and easy instructions on each tab. At the top, you'll see simple analyzer control. You can start and stop the pump, and you can also rinse and sample gas as well. You'll also see site information in this section here. This allows you to stay on track and know which sites you've brought into the software. There's some intuitive help tabs on each of the tabs to make it very easy and informative and instructional. Each tab that you're on, such as unit name, if you click on that, that'll bring up a set of instructions. Here's a little example on the bottom for help with calibration span. Just gives you a little guided instructions on each tab that you're on. Our first tab, unit name and number. There's a little browse section here, and what that does is Testo will provide you some pre-made templates that you can use for practice, as well as some of the pre-made templates you can also use to copy and create your own. So what you do is you just click the browse button. That will bring up your local drive. Typically they're going to be in the same path as when you originally loaded the software. What you do is you just select one of the particular units. In this case it would be engine test. You click open. That'll bring up the site information that's already been pre-populated in there. Of course this is an example, but as you create your own, these will become unique to the sites where you go.